The Incredible Journey of Dewey the Water Drop. Meet Dewey, a tiny, happy water drop. He lived high up in a fluffy white cloud, giggling with his friends. The sun warmed them, and they danced in the sky. One day, the cloud grew very heavy. Whoosh went the wind, and Dewey felt a little wiggle. Down, down, down he tumbled, falling from the sky. This was called precipitation. Splash, Dewey landed in a big, sparkling lake. He bounced and bobbed with the fish and the ducks. He loved feeling cool and free in the water. The sun shone brightly on the lake. Phew, it's getting warm, thought Dewey. He started to feel lighter and lighter, turning into a tiny puff of mist. This was evaporation. Up, up, up he floated, higher than the tallest trees. He joined other misty friends, and together they floated towards the sky. As they floated higher, it got colder. Dewey and his friends snuggled close, getting bigger and bigger. They were forming a brand new cloud. This was condensation. Dewey was back in a cloud, but it felt like a new adventure. He looked down and saw the world below, tiny and green. He knew that soon the cloud would get heavy again, and he would begin his amazing journey all over. From the sky to the lake, and back to the sky again, Dewey learned that every water drop has an incredible journey. And that's the amazing story of the water cycle, always moving, always changing, just like Dewey.